This is a brand new 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, traction control and stability control systems, hill start assist, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Chevrolet MyLink, a smartphone adapter, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, cruise control, full power accessories, a keyless entry system, and satellite radio. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
DuPala Chevrolet is located at 785 Central Avenue in Albany. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.